Which file extension is typically used for executable files in Windows? .x, .bat, .cmd. All of the above. Which file extension is commonly associated with image files? .jpg, .gif, .png. All of the above. What is the role of a scheduler in an operating system? To manage the CPU usage, to allocate memory, to decide the order of execution of processes, to handle file system management. Which of the following is a single-user operating system? MS-DOS, Windows 10, Linux, macOS. What does the term kernel refer to in computing? The graphical interface of an operating system. The core part of the operating system that manages resources. A type of antivirus software. The hardware interface for external devices. What is the full form of CLI? Command Line Interface, Common Line Integration, Control Line Input, Centralized Line Interface. What does the term booting mean in the context of an operating system? Restarting a computer, installing software, starting a computer system by loading the OS, shutting down the system. Which type of operating system allows multiple users to access a computer system simultaneously? Single-user OS, multi-user OS, distributed OS, embedded OS. What is the primary function of a shell in an operating system? Manages the CPU. Provides an interface for users to interact with the OS. Handles hardware interrupts. Schedules processes. What is the full form of FAT in file systems? File Allocation Table, File Access Technology, File Authorization Token, Fast Access Table. Which type of scheduling algorithm assigns the CPU to the process that arrives first? Round robin, shortest job next, first come first served, priority scheduling. What is a deadlock in an operating system? A situation where processes wait indefinitely for resources. A situation where the OS crashes unexpectedly. A process that completes without errors. A priority-based process scheduling. What is the default file system for Windows? FAT16, NTFS, UX3, HFS+. Which key combination is used to switch between applications in Windows? Control plus Alt, Alt plus Tab, Shift plus EAC, Control plus Shift. Which of the following is not a type of operating system? Real-time OS, Batch OS, Cloud OS, Multi-core OS. What is the main component of the Linux operating system? Command prompt, kernel, task manager, BIOS.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस एमसीक्यूज। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चैट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज
Which
देंगे।
operating system is best suited for embedded systems, macOS? Windows 11, RTOS, Real-Time Operating System, Unix. Which layer of an operating system interacts directly with the hardware? Application layer, kernel, middleware, shell. What is the smallest unit of execution in an operating system? Process, thread, program, task. Which of the following file extensions is not related to LibreOffice Writer? .txt, .doc, .ot, .csv. What is word processing in LibreOffice? Draw, Impress, Calc, Writer. What is the keyboard shortcut for inserting a page break in LibreOffice Writer? Shift plus A, Tab, Control plus Enter, Control plus C. What is the file extension for a template in LibreOffice Writer? .odp, .ot, .ot, doc. How do you perform paste special in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus V, Control plus V, Control plus Shift plus P, Control plus P. Which shortcut key is used to go full screen in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus F, Control plus Shift plus F, Control plus Shift plus J. None of these. In which menu of LibreOffice Writer is the Mail Merge or Letter Wizard found? Format, File, Tools, Insert. What is the default font size in LibreOffice Writer? 10, 12, 15, 20. What is the shortcut key for print preview in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus O, Control plus Shift plus P, Control plus Shift plus PP, Control plus P plus P. Which shortcut key is used to create a new style in LibreOffice Writer? Shift plus F12, Control plus F11, Control plus Shift plus F11, Shift plus F11. What is the shortcut to create a new document in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus N, Control plus Shift plus N, Shift plus N. None of these. Which shortcut key is used to close the document in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus W, Control plus Q, Control plus Shift plus C. None of these. Which shortcut key is used to redo in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Z, Control plus Y, Control plus R, Control plus Shift plus R. What is the shortcut key for double underline in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus D, Control plus U, Control plus Shift plus U, Control plus D. What is the shortcut key to manage templates in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus T, Control plus Shift plus N, Shift plus N, none of these. What is the minimum zoom percentage in LibreOffice Writer? 20, 10, 5, 15. What is the maximum zoom percentage in LibreOffice Writer? 200, 100, 500, 600. What is the maximum font size available in the font size drop-down in LibreOffice Writer? 72, 96, 70, 90. What is the shortcut key for superscript in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus P, Control plus Shift plus B, Control plus Shift plus S. None of these. In LibreOffice Writer, in which menu are commands like Cut, Copy, and Paste found? Edit, View, Insert, File. What is the shortcut for increasing the font size in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus greater than, Control plus, A and B both. Which shortcut key is used for auto text in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus F3, Control plus F2, Control plus F4. None of these. What is the shortcut key for Save As in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus Shift plus S, Control plus S, F12. None of these. Where is the footnote displayed in LibreOffice Writer? Bottom of the page, top of the page, bottom of the document, top of the document. What is the shortcut key for checking automatic spelling in LibreOffice Writer? Shift plus F7, Control plus F7, F7, Control plus Shift plus F7. What is the shortcut key for heading 3 in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus 1, Control plus 2, Control plus Shift plus 3, Control plus 3. What is the default line spacing in LibreOffice Writer? 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. What is the shortcut key to insert a table in LibreOffice Writer? F12, Control plus Shift plus F12, Control plus F11, Control plus F12. In which menu are commands like bold, italic, and underline found in LibreOffice Writer? Style, Format, Edit, Insert. Which key is used to add a bullet list in LibreOffice Writer? Control plus F12, Control plus Shift plus F12, F12, Shift plus F12. Which of the following is not a type of margin in LibreOffice Writer? Top, left, right, center. Where can we find information related to the document in LibreOffice Writer? Taskbar, title bar, menu bar, status bar. Which key do you press to get help in LibreOffice Writer? F1, F2, F4, F3. Header and footer are available in which menu in LibreOffice Writer? File menu, Insert menu, View menu, Edit menu. To hide or show the ruler, which menu should be used in LibreOffice Writer? Tools menu, Insert menu, View menu, Edit menu. To check grammar, which menu should be used in LibreOffice Writer? Tools menu, Insert menu, View menu, Edit menu. To replace the word Bombay with Mumbai, which menu should be used in LibreOffice Writer? Tools menu, Edit menu, View menu, Language menu. To close an open document in LibreOffice Writer, which menu is used? File menu, Insert menu, View menu, Edit menu. Which of the following technique is used to select a full sentence in LibreOffice Writer? Single click, double click, triple click, none of the above. Which of the following is a shortcut key to redo any operation? Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus Y, Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus Z. What is the shortcut key to comment in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus Shift plus C, Ctrl plus K plus U, Ctrl plus Alt plus M, Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Which of the following keys removes the letter on the left side of the cursor? Backspace, Delete, both, none. The selected text can be deleted by which of the following keys? Backspace, Delete, both A and B, none. What is the shortcut key to close the current window in LibreOffice? Ctrl plus Q, Ctrl plus W, Ctrl plus T, none of these. What is the default location to save files in LibreOffice? Desktop, Documents, Download, all of the above. What is the shortcut key for right alignment in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus R, Shift plus R, Ctrl plus Shift plus R, none. Which shortcut key is used for heading 2 in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus 1, Ctrl plus 2, Ctrl plus 3, none. What is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus H, Ctrl plus L, none. What shortcut key is used to increase the font size? Ctrl plus, Shift plus, Ctrl plus Alt plus, none. What is the minimum and maximum font size in LibreOffice Writer? 6, 96, 6, 69, 7, 72, 11, 96. In which menu is the word count option available in LibreOffice Writer? Tools, Insert, Format, Edit. What happens when Ctrl plus Y is pressed in LibreOffice Writer? Redo undo text, undo reduced text, both, none of these. Is there a shortcut key for the ruler in LibreOffice? Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus Shift plus R, Alt plus Shift plus C, Windows plus L plus R. What is the full form of ODF? Open Document Format, Old Document Format, Open Source Document Format, None. Which key is used for left alignment in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus L, Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus Shift plus L, None. What is the shortcut key for justify alignment in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus J, Ctrl plus Shift plus J, Ctrl plus L, Ctrl plus R. What is the default file extension in LibreOffice Writer? .ot, .ods, .odp, docs. Where is the text temporarily stored after using cut or copy? In the recycle bin, taskbar, clipboard, none of these. Which option is used to print a document in such a way that the page width is more than its height? Landscape, portrait, indent, tab setting. Which option is used to replace the word books with copies in a document? Find, find and replace, spell check, spelling and grammar check. Which option is used to type H2O with 2 in the correct subscript position? Bold, superscript, underline, subscript. What is the shortcut key to italicize selected text in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus U, Shift plus U, Ctrl plus I, Shift plus I. What happens when we use the Save As option on an existing document? Replaces the current document, leaves the current document intact, is not possible, closes the document. Which of the following does not fall under page formatting? Setting margins, find and replace, setting header and footer, page orientation. What is the default page orientation in LibreOffice Writer? Landscape, portrait, A4, A3. Which of the following is not a valid data source for mail merge? Spreadsheet, text files, MySQL, CSV file. What is the default table size in LibreOffice Writer? 1 column, 1 row, 2 columns, 1 row, 2 columns, 2 rows, 1 column, 2 rows. Which feature is responsible for automatically correcting spelling errors in LibreOffice Writer? Auto text, autocorrect, autocomplete, all of the above. Which function key is used to find a word in a document? F5, F8, F1, none of the above. Which of the following is a word processor? Google Docs, LibreOffice Writer, Microsoft Word, all of the above. Undo, cut, copy, and paste are blank commands. View, edit, styles, file. You can change the magnification of the page using the blank option. Page indicator, proofing level, zoom bar, help. On the blank side of the status bar, you can see the page number and word count in LibreOffice. Right, center, left, top. Which menu option has the commands save, print, and close? Insert, File, Tools, Format. Priya wants to change the spelling of a word throughout the document. Which option will she use? Copy, align left, find and replace, paste. Which menu option is used to start the spell checker in LibreOffice Writer? Tools greater than spelling, tools greater than automatic spell checking, tools greater than language, tools greater than options. Which shortcut key is used to start the spell checker? F5, F6, F7, F8. If sports is mistyped as spots throughout the document, which option in the spelling dialog box corrects all at once? Correct, always correct, add to dictionary, correct all. What is the correct sequence of steps to create a bulleted list in LibreOffice Writer? Bulleted list greater than format greater than lists. Format greater than bulleted list greater than lists. Format greater than lists greater than bulleted list. Lists greater than format greater than bulleted list. Which shortcut key is used to create a numbered list in LibreOffice Writer? Ctrl plus F12, Shift plus F12, F12, none of the above. Which of the following can be added to a header? Page number, date, title, all of these.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस एमसीक्यूज। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चैट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।